Today, I will guide you through installing a side-mounted garage door opener. This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please refer to the owner's manual and quick start guide for complete instructions. The opener can be installed on either side of the door. First, determine which side is suitable for installation based on the available space. In this example, the opener will be installed on the right side of the door. The installation process is the same for the left side. Before starting the installation, please ensure your garage door is a sectional door and that the door is balanced. Here is how to check the door balance. The garage door can be fully opened and fully closed smoothly by hand. The door should not bind or rub. Raise the door halfway up. The door should stay in place, supported entirely by its spring. Install the coupler. Choose the side for attaching the coupler to the SMO based on the side of the door where the SMO will be installed. Place the side of the coupler with the larger hole onto the motor shaft. Ensure the coupler is fully seated on the shaft until it reaches the stop, and align the bolt holes so they are concentric. You can disengage the motor to easily align the shaft and coupler, then tighten the two screws. Install the bracket. Now install the bracket. Remove the screw from the opener, position the bracket, and secure it with the screw. Mount the opener. Now we mount the opener on the door and tighten the two screws on the coupler. Next, we attach the bracket to the wall with two screws. Attach the emergency release rope. Install the door lock. After determining the installation position for the door lock, pull down the emergency release handle to disengage the opener and fully open the door manually. Ensure the track surface is clean, then attach the lock template to the track. Drill holes as indicated on the template. Fasten the door lock to the outside of the garage door track using two screws. Connect the cable to the door lock and route the wire to the opener. Secure the wire to the wall. Then connect the remaining plug to the door lock terminal on the opener. Install the safety sensor. Clip the safety sensors onto the track. Then run the wires to the opener and insert them into the marked terminals on the opener. Install the wireless wall console. Place the screwdriver perpendicular to the wireless wall control at the opening slot. Use the screwdriver as leverage to lift and open the cover of the wireless wall control. Drill the holes as marked on the drill template. Then insert the wall anchors into the wall. Mount the wireless wall control using the 2 provided screws. Reassemble the case of the wireless wall control. Install the tensioner. Determine the position for installing the tensioner, 40 centimeters to 60 centimeters from the cable location. And secure it firmly to the rail with 2 screws. Note: ensure the bracket is fully inserted into the rail track before tightening the screws. Pull the flexible conduit backward to allow cable routing. Open the clamp hook and place the cable onto the pulley. Hook one end of the cable connector to the tension box, then return the flexible conduit to its original position. Connect power. Plug the garage door opener into a grounded outlet. Do not operate the opener at this time. Please check the safety beam sensors first. If the safety beam sensors are aligned and wired correctly, both LEDs will glow steadily. Ensure the motor is engaged before starting programming. Program the travel limits. Press and hold the set button until the LED display shows one. Adjust the fully open limit using the up and down buttons until the door reaches the desired position. Then press the set button to confirm. The display will show 2. Adjust the fully closed limit using the up and down buttons until the door reaches the desired closed position. Press the set button to confirm the fully closed position. The display will show 3. Next, press the wall button or a remote to open the door. When the door is fully open, the display will show 4. Press the wall button or remote again to close the door. The opener will emit a beep sound, indicating that programming is complete. Now you can use the remote or wireless wall console to control the garage door. Remote control pairing. Press and release the set button. The SMO displays P to indicate programming mode. Press the desired button on the remote. The SMO will beep to confirm successful pairing. The remote is now ready to operate the garage door.